So this video, I'm going to show you how to apply these extra long press-on nails for a nail transformation. So with all orders of nails, you get an application kit, and that comes with everything you need to put your nails on. And the first thing you're going to do is some cuticle work. So push back your cuticles, or you can use a nail drill and a cuticle bit, and that's what I do. Just makes it go a lot faster. And then you're going to file your nails down to the shortest length, and then wipe off any dust with an alcohol pad. I use acetone to dehydrate my nails so they're super, super dry. And now these nails have already been worn, so I'm just going to take my nail drill and get off all of that excess glue. And I would recommend doing this even if they don't have glue on them. My theory is just a rough surface is going to adhere things to your nail a lot better than a smooth, shiny surface, because in my experience, smooth, shiny surfaces, the nails just pop off a lot easier. But if you were to have a rougher nail bed and then rough up the nail tip, it just stays a lot longer, trust me. And speaking of long wear, you just want to get all the debris, all the oil off of your nail. And my secret is primer. Yes, primer. This is going to help the nails stick and stay so much longer than anything else you could use. So go ahead and get your primer. Links in the description box. And I use 2 layers. So I go through one hand and I put a thin layer on, give it a second, and then I repeat the process. And then I go in with my glue and apply a little bit and go ahead and press it on, and I hold it and press it on for about 10 seconds before I release. And I just do the same exact thing with one hand, and then I go to my other hand, get all the debris off, do 2 coats of primer, and then apply the nails. Ooh, it's something about a fresh set that just makes you feel like a baddie. But you can't have no ashy cuticles, so go ahead and get your Jazzie Nailz Rose Cuticle Oil and apply it. And these are matte nails, so you don't want to apply it and then just like run it all over your nails. Just do it and go up so you don't mess up the matte effect. And we done. We done. You can pick up these bad and bougie nails on my website. Link is in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.